guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for being here. I'm back with a Walgreens haul video and it's very easy to follow and it's going to end up being a moneymaker haul. The first deal will be on Febreze spray. They're on sale for $3.29 and when you buy 3, you get $3 register reward back. I'll pick up 4 and I'll explain the way to do it if you want to pick up 3 or if you want to pick up 4. But if you're picking up 4 like I will do in this video, the total will be $13.16 and I'll use 2 of the BOGO coupons we got from the 225 savings set and it's going to drop it down to $6.58 and I'll get $3 register reward back, which will end up making these 4 sprays just $3.58 or 90 cents each. If you want to pick up 3, the 3 will total $9.87. Use one of the coupons that will take off $3.29. Check your app because we have a dollar coupon that is attaching to it that will drop it down to $5.58 and you get $3 register reward back, making all 3 just $2.58 or 86 cents each. The next deal is on Colgate products. They on sale for $4 each and when you buy 2, you get $4 register reward back. I'll pick up one of the toothpaste and I'll also pick up one of the Colgate Optic White mouthwash. If you prefer the toothbrush, you can pick it up as well, but because of the coupon we have, either you pick up the mouthwash or you pick up the toothbrush because the coupon I'm talking about is working either on the mouthwash or the toothbrush. These 2 will total $8. For the mouthwash, we have a $2 coupon and for the toothpaste, we also have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $4. And I'm going to pay that $4 and get $4 register reward back, making both items free. The next deal I'll add before I check out will be the Olay deal. The Olay bar soap is on sale for $8.29 and when you buy 3, you get $5 register reward back. Picking up 3 will total $24.87. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $19.87. I'll pay the $19.87 and get $5 register reward back. Check your Ibotta because we have a $2 back on each pack. That will be a total of $6 and that will end up making these 3 packs just $8.87 or $2.96 each. These are the 3 deals I will check out in one transaction because I have 2 spend boosters. I have a paper booster of when you spend $40, you get $7 Walgreen cash back. And I have another digital booster of when you spend $30, you get $7 Walgreen cash back. The total for everything you're looking at right now is $46.03. And all the coupons I mentioned earlier on will take off $15.58, dropping it down to $30.45. And I'll be rolling $20 register reward to help with my out-of-pocket. That will leave me to pay just $10.45. Let's go check out and see how everything works out. Now we can go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. You can see the 2 BOGO coupons came off and took off $3.29 each. And the 5 off 3 Olay coupon came off as well. The $2 for the mouthwash came off and also the $2 for the toothpaste applied as well. I used $20 register reward to pay for this. Paid $10.45 out of pocket plus tax and I got back $4 register reward for doing the Colgate deal and a $5 register reward for the Olay deal and a $3 register reward for the Febreze deal. I also received $14 Walgreen cash back for the boosters I used. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, a $2 back on each Olay product, which will be a total of $6. And after the rebate, the Walgreen cash and the register reward I got back, this transaction ended up being free and a $1.55 moneymaker. And this is where my video concludes today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.